You're starting to do your research of lakes in Texas and you stumble across Richland Chambers Lake and you're wanting to know more about it. Although we have a handful of videos showcasing this beautiful lake and what it is like to live here, today we're going to talk about why people are moving to Richland Chambers Lake. Some of these reasons may just fit what you are looking for. And after this video, you just might discover that Richland Chambers Lake is the lake for you. And also, if you're new here, I want to say hello. My name is Miriah Zuniga. I'm a local real estate agent, and I actually reside here on Richland Chambers Lake as well. So we're talking about firsthand insider information from myself and many other people like yourself who we have helped make a move to Richland Chambers Lake. Now, if you're interested in learning more about the lake itself, the history of it, and all of those details, you can actually check out some of our other videos because we are going to get straight into the reason why people are moving to Richland Chambers Lake. The first reason, and one of the biggest things that I'd like to point out about Richland Chambers Lake, is it is ideal for retirement and or second homes. There are a handful of reasons for this, but some are because of the relaxed atmosphere. Here you are free from the hustle and bustle of the city life, and you're surrounded by more of a natural beauty and scenic backdrop. I truly believe that we have some of the most beautiful sunsets here, clear waters, while keeping abundance of wildlife throughout parts of the lake. The calm and quiet make it a perfect place for retirees to relax and enjoy those golden years. Another reason is because of the access to the quality healthcare. There are several healthcare facilities in nearby towns such as CORSICANA, Athens, or Waxahachie, providing easy access to medical services. And another reason is the mild winters. Around Richland Chambers Lake, winters are mild and we have a little bit warmer summers, making it comfortable for retirees year-round, particularly for those coming for colder climates. The pleasant weather here offers a range of activities from outdoor, promoting a healthier lifestyle and an active one. Next reason is the proximity to the Metroplex. This is one thing that makes it appealing for those buying a second home or just those looking for a home with a lot of benefits near family that may still live in the Metroplex area. When looking at its proximity to Dallas, we are just a short drive south down Highway 45, just about 60 miles, a short hour drive, making it perfect for a weekend or even a day getaway because I've been in Dallas more times than not, and sometimes y'all go 5 miles in an hour time frame. You're also just under a 4-hour drive from San Antonio to Richland Chambers Lake as well. Next is the slower pace of living. You will see when coming to Richland Chambers that the closest city is CORSICANA. Majority of the makeup that surrounds the lake is either farmland or subdivisions or even just still undeveloped land. So there is really not a lot that goes on around the lake. You'll have some live music and a few restaurants around the lake, but you would really drive more into CORSICANA for activities to do. So you definitely have more of a slower pace of living, especially if you're coming from any metroplex or big cities like most of those moving to this area. Next is going to be the affordability here on the lake. When it comes to waterfront homes that are on open water, typically with their own private dock, the average price is just at about $1.4 million, averaging at a 4-bedroom, 4-bath, over 3,100 square feet, where this same house sitting on Lake Ray Hubbard would cost you no less than $3 million. You can also find off-water properties here with water view that average about $550,000. You will have an option in different subdivisions from massive waterfront estates, mobile homes, cabin-style homes, you name it. When it comes to dining out around the lake, also you'll see Harbor Inn, Oak Cove, the Pelican Grill, Joe's Pizza, or the Lighthouse Cafe. You can also find your average meal here the same price as your meal from like the local Whataburger up the road. Now you can check out another one of our videos where I read off actual comments from those that have moved here to Richland Chambers Lake and their opinions. You will hear that some of these are probably like you and they lived in the city and was looking to escape that lifestyle and find somewhere to wind down and enjoy the lake. Now, although there are a ton of additional benefits when it comes to living on Richland Chambers Lake, these are just some of the reasons on why people are moving here. I encourage you to come and experience it for yourself though. And as always, if you have any additional questions about Richland Chambers Lake, you're looking to plan a visit or plant some roots here, we would love to be the resource and guide on making your move a smooth one here. Just give us a call. All that information is in the description below. And until next time, I'll see you around.